Hi everyone. Welcome to the final part of our lecture where we are going to fix the memory problem. So till now we have understood some basic concept of our agentic AI. Let's revise them and fix the memory problem. So what we have done till now, as you can see in the screen, this is the chatbot we were creating. We have two nodes, chatbot node, which has tools node. We have attached them using edges, and then we discussed about the memory. Just added one image of what is memory of agentic bot. Let's try it out. So, okay, I need to add the code, add code, paste it now. Let's give him a memory problem. I will say my name is Kushag and call me Bruce Wayne. Yeah, okay. So it should call me Bruce Wayne next chat onwards. Normally, Chat GPT and Gemini, other things you have seen that. Let's see, can this do that? No, it cannot. It cannot remember me. So this is basically a memory problem. It should remember me. How I can do that? It's a very small code from LangGraph checkpoint. We will be importing memory. Okay, import memory saver, and then we will create one object of that. And we just need to compile using this object our uh, this graph builder. So graph builder dot compile pass this memory object. The checkpoint, yeah. Cool. And build. Now, if you remember from previous chapter, I was passing the configuration when I was invoking the method and it was none by default. Till now, we haven't passed it. Now we are defining this configuration for user one. We'll see how user one and why we called it one. It will be two also later. So this is user one. Let's call this and paste. Now that option is configuration is not optional. You see this error. I need to pass the configuration also. Otherwise, this code will fail. Why it is happening? Because I have compiled it with memory. It needs the configuration. Now, configuration must have user ID. So this is defined. It is, I have given him my name. Now let's check what is my, oh, this is my mistake. Let me add this. Okay. We have, now it knows, see, it knows my name. Okay, let's check for user two. I'm passing configuration for user two. Then what is my name for user one? It can tell. For user two, it cannot tell. See? So it's up to you now while defining or designing your application based on your user UUID or unique identifier. You can define the threads which will be giving you user-based experience. And this is end of chapter one. Cool. Now we got a small hands-on on a basic chatbot application where we have two nodes only. One was for the chat agent, another node was having tools. The agent was communicating with the tools, selecting the tools based on the input we are provided. So we understood we need not to change the code. Your agent choose the tools to complete the operation. And this we have done using one tool in the complete this first exercise. Later, we are going to move to multi-agent model where we will be asking our agent to do some small complex task with more number of tools. So subscribe to this channel and I will keep on uploading and we will work together completing these kind of small projects. Thanks. Bye.